A very good morning, students. Once again, welcome students in mathematics class. This is Pooja, and today we will discuss students about divisions of fraction. How can we divide fractions numbers, as we discussed earlier about multiplication of fractions. So today we will discuss about divisions of fraction, and then we will do the questions of exercise 2.4. So how can we do divide fractional numbers, students? If 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 6 is given, then how can you do? What's the rule says that? Rule says that first leave me means leave me as it is, means 1 by 2 will be 1 by 2. Then divide, second step says that change me. Change means divide changes into multiplication, and 1 by 6 means turn me over. Turn me over means take reciprocal, means 1 by 6 will be 6 by 1. So after changing the division into multiplication, you will take the reciprocal of the next number. So what we have to do in dividing fractions, that we will take 1 by 2 and divide, convert it into multiply, and 3 by 4 means we will take the reciprocal of the next number, that will be 4 by 3. So how can you solve, students? 1 by 2 multiply by 4 by 3. So 1 into 4 will be 4 and 2 into 3 will be 6. So this is your answer. So student, how can we do divide of a fraction number? So rule says that keep the first fraction the same, then second change the division sign to a multiplication sign as we already discussed, and flip the second fraction over to the right, the reciprocal. So keep, change and flip. This is the rule for the division of fractions. So let's start, student, our next exercise 2.4. So here I am going to explain you some parts of this question, then you will do the rest parts. So first part is find 12 divided by 3 by 4. So how can you find out? As it is given that 12 divided by 3 by 4. So you will write down 12, then change me means divide will be converted into multiply, and you will take the reciprocal of the next number. So it will be 4 by 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 4 ja 12. So your answer will be 4 into 4, 16. So student, in this way you can get your answer. Next part is given. What is given in next part? 14 divided by 5 upon 6. So you will say that 14 into 6 upon 5, and if you can cancel out then you will do, otherwise you will take simple the multiplication. So 14 into 6 will be 84 upon 5, and then you will convert 84 upon 5 into mixed fraction, that will be equal to, it means you will divide 84 by 5. So you will get 16 and whole 4 upon 5. 5 1 ja 5, then remainder will be 3 4, then 5 6 ja 30. So your remainder will be 4. In question number second, find the reciprocal of each of the following fractions. Classify the reciprocal as proper fraction, improper fraction and whole fraction. It means first you will convert the given number 3 by 7 and you will take the reciprocal. So reciprocal will be 7 upon 3, and you have to tell what kind of number is this. Is this proper fraction or improper? So student, this is improper fraction, because we know that in improper fraction numerator is greater than the denominator. In second case, if you will take reciprocal of 5 upon 8, so you will get 8 upon 5, and this is also improper fraction, because here also numerator is greater than the denominator. 8 is greater than 5, so it means it is an improper fraction. And in next question, if you will take reciprocal of 9 upon 7, so you will get 7 upon 9, and this is proper fraction. Why? Because here numerator is less than the denominator, so it means that 7 is less than 9, so it is a proper fraction, as we discuss about proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. So you can write your answer, what kind of numbers you are getting, proper, improper or mixed fraction. So in this way, student, you will do the question number first and second. And now we are going to discuss question number 4. Student, you can see here question number 3 is same. 7 by 3 divided by 2. So 7 by 3, how can you write down? 7 by 3 divided by 2, it means you can write it like 2 upon 1, and after converting this divide, then you will get 7 upon 3 into 1 upon 2, and you will solve this. So you will get 7 into 1 will be 7 and 3 into 2 will be 6. So you will get answer 7 upon 6. So in this way you can solve the question number 3rd. And now we are moving to the next question, that is question number 4. In question number 4, student, what you have to, again here you can see that in question number 4 again you have to divide. All questions are same, you have to do the division. So here two fractional numbers are given, 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. So how can you solve, student? So question number 4, find 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. So again 2 by 5 as it is, multiply, divide, convert it into multiply, and then you will take the reciprocal to the next number. So that will be equal to 2 upon 1, and your answer will be, first you will, according to the multiplication rule for fraction, you will multiply first top number, means you have to multiply the numerator. So 2 into 2 will be 4 and 5 into 1 will be 5. So answer will be 4 upon 5. So student, in this way you can do the rest part, and you have to simplify the parts. Look at here, one more, 3 by 7 divided by 8 by 7. So you will write down 3 by 7 into 7 upon 8. 7 cancel and your answer will be 3 upon 8. So it's very easy question, student, in exercise 2.4. So you will do these questions, and this is your homework. Do the following question. First, student, you will note down these questions which I explained in this video. Then you will do this given question. Do the question number 1 for 5th and 6th part, question number 2 6th and 7th part, question number 3rd 4th part, and question number 4 you will do question number 7th and 8th part of question number 4. And note, student, do all the work please neatly in your notebook, and if you have any doubt then you can ask me. Stay home, stay safe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Thank you.